So let's take a look at a second strategy for prime factorization. We call this one subsequent division. Again, you're still going to want to know your prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and then I know that list can go on. Now when I'm going to start with prime factorization, unlike the factor trees, I'm actually going to shift a little bit over to the side. And I personally find it more easier if we go in order. So I'm going to start 42, and I think, can it divide by 2? And the answer is yes. So I'm going to divide 42 by 2. Half of 42 is 21. Well, 2 can no longer divide into 21, but 3 can divide into 21. So I'm going to divide 21 by 3, and I get 7. So now 3 cannot go into 7. 5 cannot go into 7, but 7 can go into 7. So I do 7, and now I get to 1. That's how I know I'm done, when I get to 1. Here is my prime factorization. So 2 times 3 times 7. Like I did with factor trees, I can always check my work. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42, so I do know it worked. Let's try another example. Let's go ahead and do 92. Again, I want to keep track of my prime numbers. Just as a quick reference, it's easier to have them written down than trying to always remember them. Do the ... just to remind myself, hey, there's more out there. So I'm going to start with, it's an even number, so I know 2 will work. Now I might have to go off on the side and do the division, just like I would have had to with the factor trees. Goes into 12 6 times, so it is 46. It's another even number, so 2 will work again. And now I'm going to divide 46 by 2. And I am going to get 23. So now it's not going to work, it's not even anymore. 2 plus 3 is 5, so it's not divisible by 3. It's not divisible by 5. Not divisible by 7, or 11, or 13. In fact, 23 itself is a prime number. So I'm going to divide it by 23. I know I'm done when I get to 1. There's my prime factorization. 2 squared times 23. Now I can check my work. Make sure that it does work. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. And then I can just double check, what is 23 times 4? 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, so I get 92. So it worked. So I have my prime factorization using subsequent division.